Assalamualaikum. Welcome to Shikhai. In this video, I will show you how to check balance in Getty Images or iStock. Let's get started. First of all, I would like to sign in, and then I will go to ESP on the right top. Okay, here you can see my performance, and you can click here on royalties and then export. You can export the information in PDF or text document, and you can check your selling summary here. Here you can see 43 cents only. Here all the details you can find, and if you want to export the document, then click here export and then choose the month you want the report. So I just choose April, and here in contact form you will choose the second option, and then file type. If you want to get the full details, then I just recommend to choose PDF, because here you can see the details of your earning. Okay, then click download the file. Well, I have already downloaded it, so I just want to show you the details. So I just go for it. Here you can see I just have 0.21 cent here, and license fee 1.42. Sale territory is California. Here you can see the all details if you want the details of your account. So this way you can collect the information if you want to check the balance of your Getty Images or iStock. If you have any question, then feel free to comment on this video. I will reply you with the full information. It's time to sign off. Thank you so much for watching. I just hope in my next videos I will get you there. Take care. Allah Hafiz.